Hey first graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to work on Module 3, Lesson 7. Let's look at our objective. Alright, our objective for today is to measure the same objects from topic B, what we measured before, with different non-standard units simultaneously to see the need to measure with a consistent unit. So we're going to be measuring with paper clips today, different size paper clips, some little ones, some big ones. All right. But before we do that, let's do our fluency. So I will say 2 or 3 numbers, and I'll replace one of the numbers with the word beep, and then I want you to say the number that is missing. Here we go. 15, 16, beep. 25, 26, beep. 35, 36, beep. 12, 11, beep. Make sure you're following along. 22, 21, beep. 32, 31, beep. 8, beep. 10, 18, beep. 20, 38, beep. 40, beep. 9, 8. That's a tricky one. Beep. 19, 18. Beep. 29, 28. Okay, now let's look at our application problem for today. When Corey measures his new pencil, he uses 19 centimeter cubes. After he sharpens the pencil, he needs 4 fewer centimeter cubes. Remember, fewer means less. How long is Corey's pencil after he sharpens it? Use centimeter cubes to solve the problem. Write a number sentence and a statement to answer the question. Okay, so he uses 19 centimeter cubes to measure his new pencil, and after he sharpens it, he needs 4 fewer centimeter cubes. Okay, so here's 19 cubes. Here's the 4 less that he uses. So this is how many he uses that are not after he sharpens it. So 19 minus what? Minus 4. And we're going to take away 4. So we have 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. We can say 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then 10 plus 5 equals 15. I don't know if you saw down here the decomposition of 19 into a 10 and a 9. So we said 9 minus this 4 here. And then we still had the 10 left, which is why then we said 10 plus the 5 that was left over here. Okay? 15. The sharp pencil is 15 cubes long. Okay. Today we're going to measure with paper clips. And these are the things that we've already learned so far with measurement. Line up the endpoints. Remember that the objects have to be lined up at the ends. They have to be all the same at the end. We learned that we can't leave any gaps. You can't have big holes in between where you're measuring. You have to line it up and put the pieces right up against each other. Oops. We also learned that you can't put the measuring tools on top of each other. So you can't measure it like this. It has to be like this. end to end. And by the end of today's lesson, you're going to learn a new rule. Okay, let's see how long this red pencil is by using paper clips as our length unit. We will measure with 3 large and 1 small paper clip. Okay, so we have this big red pencil here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips. So there's 4 paper clips. Notice we started at the end. Okay, that's great. We didn't overlap them, and we put it end to end. There's no big gaps in between the paper clips. So we can say that the red pencil is 4 paper clips long. This blue pencil is the same length. Let's measure it using paper clips as the length unit. We will use a different combination of paper clips, this time 1 large and 4 small. So this time we lined it up at the end, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper clips. So at this one we had 4 paper clips. This one we have 5 paper clips. According to these measurements, the blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. Is that correct? Is the blue pencil longer than the red pencil? Doesn't look longer to me. Okay. The pencils look like they're the same length. Let's compare the pencils. There's the red, there's the blue. Got it lined up at the ends. And the tips. The pencils are the same length. But how come when we measured with the paper clips, the red one was only 4 paper clips, and the blue one is 5 paper clips? That's weird. The yellow pencil is also the same length as the others. We will measure it with a different combination of paper clips, 4 large paper clips. So all of these are the same, but this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 paper clips. I'm using the length units of a paper clip. I should be getting the same length measurement each time since the pencils are the same length. I wonder what we need to change about the way that we're measuring. What are we doing wrong? Do you have any ideas? The paper clips are different sizes. Some paper clips are long and other paper clips are short. It's not an accurate measurement because the paper clips have to be the same size. Just like our centimeter cubes were the same size. They were all a centimeter. So we should only use all small paper clips, or we should use all big paper clips. But we can't mix them up. They have to be the same size. So we have a new rule for measuring now. We learned a new rule today. Our new rule is that the length units must be the same length. You can't measure one object with different length items. So it has to be all the same length. We could have used all small paper clips, or we could have used all large paper clips, but we can't mix them up. Ooh, that was a big lesson we learned today. All right, my friends. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.